I am so glad you are here because I'm ready to show you how to gain 10 plus new clients every month using 5 pieces of content per week, one magnetic message, and one powerful call to action, guaranteed to turn prospects into premium clients. So before I go on, let me introduce you to who I am. My name is Tashawna Nicole, and I'm the founder and CEO of Pumps and Profit. And for the past 10 years, I have been helping industry leaders take their ideas and turn it into profitable, scalable businesses. Our team has consulted on over 500 client acquisition funnels. We spent half a million on just learning Facebook ads alone and running Facebook ads. And we've been able to generate 10,000 leads for service based businesses worldwide. Now, I understand that time is money and every dollar counts. Okay, you ain't got to tell me once, but you already know that in order to make predictable sales every month on a consistent basis, you need people to go through a sales process that's going to turn them from leads into I need this type of clients, right? And so you need this to work predictably, consistently, as well as at scale. And so there's nothing new, right? Nothing new at all. And so here is how most coaches or experts are telling you to set up your sales process in order to attract clients. And I'm going to tell you that this is a surefire way for you to waste money in today's market. Remember, I said time is money and every dollar counts. So let's say that you take the common approach that most consultants and thought leaders take. You're mainly on social media, and so you are all about organic growth, which is working for you. And so because you're not sure on how Facebook ads work, you spend a minimum to no budget on Facebook ads. And so you already have put yourself in a competitive market. And so you're able to get about 5% actually go to your website. So over the past 9 months, you built followers, 5,000 followers on social media, and you're getting about 250 people are going to your website on a consistent basis. And so 10 hours a week that you're spending, you're able to get with a close rate of 20%, 1 to 2 clients a month. So now 10 hours a week, you're making $2,000 to $4,000 a month. Now you may be saying, man, that's good. That's good part-time money. That's good extra money that works for me in my lifestyle. But what happens when you're ready to scale? Yeah, think about that. Hopefully now you can see how this approach it no longer works. And so nowhere is it enough to compete in today's digital landscape. And sure, I know what you're going to say. There's successful businesses, profitable coaches, consultants, creators, and thought leaders out there. You know you're not alone. But think about it. They have massive client bases and reputations to match. Now, don't get it twisted. I understand. You can still use this old method and make good money. I know. But let me ask you, as long as you understand that, you're not just out here following what everyone else is doing, do you have prospects literally banging down your door to work with you? Okay. I know the answer. I'm pretty sure you're saying no. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. And that's fine. Don't worry. That's fine. Fine. As long as you understand that you can't just follow what everyone else is doing, right? We have that understanding. And you definitely cannot expect by following what everyone else is doing, you cannot expect a scalable and profitable business. And so now you may be wondering, okay, well, What do I do now? First of all, stop copying everyone else and do something completely your way. And don't worry, I'm going to take you down a path of least resistance. So let's think about this new way of doing business. I want you to understand that organic traffic is a great way to get individuals to notice your brand. But now it's time for you to be more intentional and targeted online so that you can have a much cheaper way to get eyeballs on your offer. So let's say that now you decide, okay, I'm going to step my game up and I'm going to do $2,500 per month. Well, in the last 90 days versus 9 months, you've been able to have a 15% growth and have your 5,000 followers. Now, let's say now because you have this new way of doing the way you do business, you've been able to get more eyes on your site, which allow for you to have a 3 times rate of return on how many lead magnets, and which increases how many individuals you're able to speak to on a monthly basis. But not only that, you have been able to maximize the profit of not only your potential clients, but yourself through a profit maximizer. And so with this alone, you was able to cover your ad spend. And so in short, still working 10 hours a week, you have been able to make over $30,000 a month. That's a great return when only $2,500 is going out on a monthly basis. Now, you can see how this method is far more effective and brings you a much higher ROI, not just on paper, but now I'm about to show you some real life examples that we've been able to generate it. Now, the first is we were able to help a high ticket coaching business be able to take their funnel and produce a 400% ROI. So they was able to produce 40 new leads for that month. And they not only met their monthly coaching goal, but they've been able to exceed it in $14,000 in revenue. Our second client is an industry leader. What they wanted to do was create a massive engagement to promote their boy band auditions. In less than 10 days, they were able to have 75 leads and over 15,000 video views a month, spreading the word about their boy band audition. Last but certainly not least, this client wanted us to promote their event marketing campaign. And they wanted to use that in order to engage with high ticket prospects. And so from this, we was able to generate over 30 leads a month. Not only that, they was able to increase their returning as well as new traffic to their website. Now, you can see how much more efficient and effective this process is at getting you more clients for your brand, both on paper and in practice. So instead of boring you to death with a long winded pitch, how about I make you an offer? If you want my team and I to help you get this system up and running for your business, click the button below to schedule a call with us. Yeah, that's it. But let me tell you something. Before you even decide to do that, let me please note this. Okay. We cannot help everyone, and we're not trying to. And so we want you to understand that this is not for you if you don't see yourself as that thought leader, as that one that can take one's experience or expertise and be known in the marketplace as a thought leader. If you're not really ready to invest in yourself over the next 6 to 12 months with us, and you just, willing to have no time given to your business, and you know what, try and turn it all over to us. I'm sorry. We are not for you. However, if you are the type that wants this, that knows that it's going to take dedication, investment, and energy with the same things of what you're doing, but the willingness to go beyond what you've expected before, and know that you're creating a scalable business that's not microwavable, but you know that in due time, more sooner than what you're doing now, which is costing you thousands of dollars now in lost income, you know that this is the investment that you're ready to make, and that's you. Make sure you go ahead and click the button below and let's talk.